everyone, this is P with Mr.V, and today we are doing Rainbow Challenge. The key to doing this challenge is standing up straight. Many people bend forward and then the ball or the soft ball just bounces off your back. So keep your back straight, just stand up straight and let the ball just come over you just like a rainbow, and make sure you're ready with your hands. Okay, normally the ball should not go too far away, but just drop just behind your back. I normally would do this with a basketball, and I would throw the basketball up quite high, and I would not throw it backwards. I would throw it straight up and just step just underneath the ball to catch it here. Okay, so don't throw the ball very far. Now I don't have a lot of height here, so I have to throw it a tiny bit backwards. But what's important is that it's not too much backwards. Otherwise, you don't know where to catch it. So it's here. Remember that practice makes perfect. If you really can't do it with a small ball or a soft ball, just use a bigger ball, which is obviously easier to catch. But never stop trying, because practice makes perfect. See you in the next video. Bye!